Crypto trading bots. In 30 days, if you gave Bitsgap bots $12,500, what would be the return on investment? Are crypto trading bots profitable? Should you look at setting up crypto trading bots? And how much can you make giving crypto trading bots $20,000 over a 6-month period? In today's video, I'm going to answer all of those questions. I'm going to show you guys my bots. I'm going to show you the results, and I'm going to show you guys why I think setting up Bitsgap trading bots is the most profitable and best way to generate passive income on your crypto. So the first thing I want to point out is right now on BYBIT, for the remainder of the bear market, BYBIT, 0 trading fees on spot. So their spot is absolutely free to trade on right now. So out of all of my bot profits, they've actually been more profitable because Bitsgap is automatically calculating in fees that I'm not actually paying. So right here is a summary of the bots that have been closed out. So over the last 30 days, we can see that my bots started with a total of $12,885. And over that time period, they were able to generate $924, which would have been around 4.55%. So let's just do the math on this together. My goal is to get my bots up to $30,000. If I have $30,000 worth of bots trading over here, and I'm making 5% a month on $30,000, that would be $1,500. Over a year, that bot would make me $18,000. And these bots can't lose. So there are some catches. Let's take a look at my near bot. My near bot, from the time that I started, that's your total profit and loss from the time that you actually started that bot up. The value of the coin itself had depreciated by 23%. So I told you guys in my previous video that anytime you're setting up a bot, as long as you're within 30% of bottom, it's okay. That is how the game is played. You want price to go up and down, but you just don't want it to keep going down and down and down to a point where no matter how good your bot trades, it's not going to be able to make you enough. So we started those bots, we were down 25 or 23%. So somewhere around the $3 range. We started our near bots. So from the time that we entered that trade, look what price has done nothing but come down. So my bot actually made me 7.18% and the asset depreciated by 23 or 24%. Just say 24 to round up. 24 minus 7 is what? 17. My bot would have lost 24%, but instead it only lost 17% because I had this bot trading. Now the idea is that you want them to keep trading. You want them to keep buying as price is coming down and price is going back up. But now if price keeps coming down and down and down, I mean, you have to be within 30% of bottom, right? So that means that if you entered a near bot right now at $2, say you're holding near, as long as you don't think near is gonna drop down to $1.50, I would say that it would be a smart idea to set up a bot to let it trade. And then that's what you wanna do is you wanna pick a zone, and I say 30% down, because you shouldn't be investing in a bot or turning a bot on if you think price is gonna drop more than 30%. That's why I think that BTC right now at 17,000 is one of the best crypto bot strategies that you could set up. Does anybody in here think Bitcoin's going down below 14,000? Because 14,000 will only be 15% to the downside. If you're within 30% of bottom, guys, like now's the time. Bitcoin would have to go all the way down to 12,000 for this bot to not be profitable over a 6-month period. And the idea is that that's what you want. You want the market going like this. The more that it does this, the more that your bot's going to look like this. This is what you want to see. Every one of the red dots is a sell, every one of the green dots is a buy. So you want your asset just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And if you notice, look at this right here. See this window where price was free falling right here? Do you see any buy orders right there? No, you don't. The bot was smart enough to realize that we were dumping here hard. So don't buy when you're dumping hard. Wait till you get down here, and then it started to pick back up and started to buy again. Pretty freaking cool, huh? So now that you guys have a general idea of how these bots work, I want to show you guys my new strategy, and this is me playing it extremely safe. I don't really have to worry. I know that these bots might not make me 20%, but I'm pretty confident that over the next couple months, these bots are going to make me 3, 4, 5, maybe even 7%, and that's every month, guys. So I've given my bots $20,000. 5% of $20,000 is $1,000. So every month, these bots could make me potentially 1,000 minimum. I think is the bare minimum that these bots will make me. That's 12,000 a year going into the worst parabolic bear market in crypto history. And I have bots that are trading me USDT, where I'm making more USDT. And then I have 2 bots that are trading me against BTC. So my Matic BTC bot, every time that takes a trade, I'm getting paid in BTC. My BTC USDT bot, every time that trades, I'm getting paid in USDT. Let me show you. 5% of 20,000 is $1,000 a month. So if these bots can make me $1,000 a month, I could potentially set up another $12,000 worth of bots over a year. And that's my goal, is to get up to 30,000. Now you guys are seeing 30,000 on Bitsgap. It's kind of funky sometimes. So if you just reset it and refresh it, you can see I'm actually at 20,100. So this bot right here is BTC USDT. Every time that bot trades, it's taking profit in USDT. Even though it's trading a BTC pair, it's taking profits in USDT. But my Matic bot, on the other hand, is trading against BTC. So every time that bot takes profits, it's taking profits in BTC. And that's why I have an ETH BTC pair. Even though I don't believe in ETH, I hate holding ETH. I think it's a horrible investment long-term. It's such a big market and so many people are gonna trade it. Traders are gonna trade it. I feel safe with that asset. I feel safe with my KDA USDT bot. I'll show you guys that one. I just regrid. And what's cool is they got trailing down on. So now I don't have to worry about my bot running out of grid levels. Before, if price dropped below the green lines, it would just stop buying. Now it's going to automatically move the red lines down and turn them into green lines if price keeps coming down, or vice versa. As price goes up, it'll start regridding and going up to the upside. Before, if price dropped below here, it would take me out of the trade, or just turn your bot off and wait till price came back up in the green lines. But you don't want that. This is exactly what you want your bots to look like. You want as many of these green or red dots as humanly possible. They call it chasing dots. So that's all we're going to do, is we're going to try to set our bots up to chase as many dots as humanly possible. So let me break down my first bot. So this is my BTC USDT bot. I have extremely tight grid levels on here because the market's been kind of just hit or miss. I started this thing a few minutes ago and it's already placed 4 trades now. So my grid levels on this one are really tight. They are set to 0.13%. So if we jump over to trading view, and you can see price right here. So if I take my tape measure, my measuring tool, and I measure up 0.13%. So that red line right there. So every time price goes up and down, just by that little amount, it's going to place a trade. Pretty cool, right? So my BTC bots I have really tight. Look at that. It's trading just non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's trading again. Jeez, oh, pews. This thing's going to rip. It's already made me $3 in a few minutes. I really like that setup. So I gave that bot about $3,000. The Matic BTC bot has 0.37 BTC. So my Matic bot was about 6,500. My ETH BTC bot's about 2,600. That one was actually around 3,000 when I started it. So down a little, but BTC and ETH are both down. It is what it is. And my KDA USDT bot is $7,906. So total, again, I got 20,000. So that's my BTC bot. I got my BTC bot really tight. I got about a $7,000 Matic bot in here. And Matic as well, I'm at 0.23% grid levels. Before I was going much larger, I was trying 0.5%. But I felt like the range was too far. And when the market gets stagnant like this, there's just not enough movement. Matic's been a good one, but Matic against BTC is a lot different than Matic USDT. Keep those things in mind. And then last but not least, we have my KDA bot. So now my KDA bot, I have my grid levels at 0.42%. I have 66 grid levels. I have my green lines set up coming down as low as 96 cents. But I have trailing down turned on. So on my KDA bot, I have my high price set up to 128, but I have trailing up on. I have pump protection off because I can't stand pump protection. I have low price at 97 cents, but I'm willing to trail down all the way to 72 cents. You know, I never thought Kadena was coming down to $1, but for whatever reason, it happens. And I have my grid spacing on KDA at 0.42%. So that size right there, that red line, is 0.42%. So this red line is 0.42%. So if I zoom out, we zoom out on that chart, every time price moves just that much up and down, it's going to be placing trades. So I would have liked to actually make it tighter on KDA and caught more of that volatility, but I'm okay with where it's at right now. Now my ETH BTC bot, again, I think could have been a lot more profitable, but I have these extremely wide steps on here. My steps are at 0.5%. So let's regrid my ETH BTC bot. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit cancel. And when I cancel all my orders, I'm just going to cancel all open orders, which means it'll take off all my buy and all my sell orders. So I'm going to hit cancel. So now my ETH BTC bot has been canceled. So if we swing back over to my assets tab, now it should show that I actually have the available balance much higher. So now my ETH available balance is 0.25 ETH. And my BTC available balance is, it's going to take a minute to close out all those orders. So you can actually see it closing out my orders in real time. It's actually putting all of that available ETH back over here. So now we're going to go at the top. We're going to click start a new bot. We're going to choose S bot. We're going to type in ETH and we're looking for ETH BTC. So now I know that those 5 grids are way too much. So what I'm going to do is, because now we can use trailing stop, I'm going to put my grid levels tight, really tight on this one. So this is saying I need 1.1 ETH and I need 0.0067 BTC. We have 0.72 ETH and we have 1 BTC, 0.1 BTC. So I need 0.1 BTC and 0.7 ETH. .7 ETH, 0.100 BTC. Let's see, and this is going to give me a 0.15 grid step on this, and I want trailing, I want pump protection off, and I want trailing down on. And it's going to go down to 8.5%. Good with me. Let's try to start this thing up. Got our next bot set back up. So let's refresh this just to see if we're on the same page as well. Okay, so now we're at $20,050. So pretty much these bots are right on 20,000. I have my share and earn on. So if you guys just want to set up your bots the exact same that I did, that's what you're going to need. If you want to copy my exact bot setup, you would need, so if you wanted to set up my exact bots, what you're going to need is you're going to need 0.37 BTC. You're going to need 5,694 KDA. You're going to need $4,400 in USDT. And you need $3,418 in Matic. And that would give you $20,000 worth of bots. The hard part is, okay, I got KDA, I want to set up a KDA bot. Well, you're either going to have to sell KDA and get USDT, or you're going to actually have to bring more USDT over. So that's kind of the hardest part, is you need USDT. So if you don't have any USDT and price is down, you're technically going to have to sell some of your KDA to get USDT to start your bot up. So that's the only downfall to these bots, is you need USDT. And in the last 21 minutes since I set this BTC USDT bot up, it's made me $3.33 already, $10.78 already in the last couple minutes. They're passive income generating machines, guys. They really are. So what do you guys think about crypto trading bots? Drop some comments below. I'm in my live streams on my second YouTube channel every Monday through Thursday from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys have any questions about bots, you guys want me to show you guys my bots, and you guys can use my share and earn and actually see how my bots have been performing at any times. And those links are always in my link tree, which was always on my Twitter. Again, my name is Ryan Matta, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.